All right, so let's continue our discussion on lesson 9.1, measuring length. So this time we will be looking at converting units from the two different systems, from English system to metric system or vice versa. Okay, so these are some of the English and metric equivalents that we are aware of. So the first two are actually exact value conversions. So we have 1 inch is exactly equal to 2.54 centimeters. 1 foot is equivalent to 30.48 centimeters. Now the other two, those conversions are pretty good approximates. Okay, so how would you know which one to use? Well, it depends on the value that you are given, and what unit is desired to be the new one to be used for that measurement. Okay, so let's have some examples. So let's say we need to convert 8 inches to centimeters. Okay, so if you look at our conversion table, inches and centimeters is right here. So there is an exact value equivalence over here. And so what we do is we will use dimensional analysis, wherein we write the given value. So we have 8 inches, okay? And then we multiply it with a conversion factor. And remember, whatever is the given unit will be in the denominator. So inches is here, and our desired unit is on the numerator. Now we plug in the numeric values with this conversion. We know that 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. And so now we can proceed to multiplication. So we can have this as 1 with a denominator. We multiply across. So we will have, oh, by the way, don't forget, the inches now is gone. It's going to be canceled. So now we have 8 times 2.54 centimeters over 1, which is going to be, you can ignore the over 1 now. And so doing the calculations, you will end up getting 20.32 centimeters. So this is how many centimeters 8 inches is equivalent to. All right? So let's have the next one. We have 125 miles, and we need it into km. So if you go back to our previous conversion, 1 mile and kilometers is over here. So we have that conversion there. So we are going to work with the given 125 miles, and our conversion factor would be miles and kilometers. Miles is the given, so miles is at the bottom. We can cancel that out. And our desired unit is kilometers. Now, according to our conversion factor, as you can see, miles has 1, kilometers has 1.6. So 1.6 is going to be up here with kilometers, and then 1 mile. So as we know, we have to multiply across. Okay? So we end up getting a 125 times 1.6. Now we only have kilometers as our unit, and so this is actually going to be 200 kilometers all in all. All right. So this is not a new thing. We've done this in the first part of the conversions. Last part here. Okay. So we are trying to convert 26,800 millimeters, so mm, to inches. Now, if you take a look at our conversion table, we have inches to centimeters. Okay? We do not see any conversion with inches to millimeters. So how are we going to proceed with this conversion? Now, in this scenario, wherein the given unit converted to the desired unit is not present in any of the table, what you can do is to devise a plan in such a way that you have to think, is there a way that I can change millimeters to something that is changeable to become inches? Now, we know from our table that inches can be changed with what? With centimeters. correct? So let's think, is there a way that we can change millimeters to centimeters? And definitely there is, since they are both in the metric system, okay? So what we do here, we know that there's a conversion. So in this case, what we do is we change millimeters going to centimeters. And once we have that, then we apply dimensional analysis to change to inches. Okay? So let's proceed. So step number 1 is changing millimeters to centimeters. So we gotta use King Henry. Okay? So King Henry died. We have meters here in the middle. Drinking chocolate milk. All right? And we want to change, we are given 26,800 millimeters. So we start here, and we have to go to centimeters, and it's going to the left by 1 decimal place. All right? We got to go 1 to the left. So it means that the decimal point here at the end with 0 after 0, we need to move that 1 decimal place to the left. So now, 26,800 millimeters, 26,800 millimeters is actually 2,680 centimeters. Okay? So this is now in centimeters. Okay? So can we change centimeters to inches? Yes, we can. All right? So now we are given 2680 centimeters. We need now to change it to inches. So we are given cm. Cm is at the bottom, inches is on the top. What's the conversion between inches and centimeters? 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters. So 1 inch is over here, 2.54 centimeters is at the bottom. We can cancel our centimeter unit. And so we proceed with, so put over 1 here, we proceed with multiplying across. We will have 2680 inches divided by 1 times 2.54. And this value is going to be around, okay, this is an approximate value, 1,055 inches. Okay, so that is how we can change metric to English or English to metric system. All right, now again, there will be times that you will not have direct conversions from what is given to the desired. So you have to be thinking outside of the box. Think of a way on how you can use a bridging conversion. In this case, the bridge conversion was millimeter to centimeter. Okay? All right, that's everything. Thank you.